All right, folks. I know you may, some of you may have the Jura Compresso Impressa E8 machine. It's just an incredibly reliable machine. We've made 17,000 cups of coffee with it. It's been refurbished once, but I'm going to try to do some work on it. The problem with it is getting into the backside. It has these oval screws, so you have to have a special kit, unless you use a certain technique. You can use a Dremel and put a very thin grinder on it, slot grinder. And what I'm going to do here is show you how to cut a standard screw slot into your into the screws. So let's see if we can do this. I've gotten 3 of them out already. Take our standard screw driver, and there you go. There you go.